guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your accessory on the REALME Pad Mini. So, if I have a problem with my headphones, I'm starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. How to do it? Just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button and choose restart. And after that, check the device list, so hold the finger on the Bluetooth icon and choose pair new device. Check that your device is on the list. If not, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. So, many devices starting automatically in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to click the button for a few seconds or click 3 times the button. You have to check it by yourself in the manual to your device maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and make sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. If yes, but you still don't have this device on the Bluetooth list, go to the settings, slide down to the system and tap on the advanced. Now just look for the reset options and tap on the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Choose reset setting button and confirm pattern. After that, click on this again and go back to the Bluetooth list to check that your device is visible. If still not, go to the system update in the system in the settings and choose that you have any updates. If yes, just unload that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.